Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC I'm going to go over how you would replace your headlights on your 2016 Kia Sedona. So on the Sedona we have our headlights. So we have right here, which is a marker light, side marker light. We'll go over how you replace that. And then this is the low beam headlight there. High beam is right here. And then this is a blinker and also a clearance light. So we'll go over how we replace those. We have enough space to be able to replace these by reaching in from behind here. And so we'll go over that process and how you start being able to do that. So we have enough space to do that without having to take out the headlight assembly. And you can do it on both sides. It's a little tighter on the driver's side, but you can still be able to access them. So there'll be 4 lights that we're going to. So from the back here, right down in here is a tab, and that's the blinker light. Right here is your high beam light. Right behind this cover is your low beam light. And right here is a tab, and that's going to be that side marker light. So we're going to start with this side marker light. And so you just need to reach your hand in here, twist the tab, quarter turn in the counterclockwise, and then pull it out. And this is what you're pulling out. So you pull out this whole connector. It's got these electric connectors that connect to power the light while it's in there. And then to replace it, you pull the light bulb out. So you pull that out, you've got a new one. This is a 168. And you see these tabs inside there. You're going to line that up and then just press it, snap it into place. So you got a new 168. You put that in there. Now you're just going to have to do your best to reach in here, find where that hole was again, and be able to put it in there. Get it lined up so it sets in there. And then turn it a quarter turn to the right. And so that's how you replace the side marker light on your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.